welcome back to NailNovice, a super quick tutorial today, something every tech should have up their sleeve. You want a matte finish, but you don't have a matte top coat or haven't found one that you love, no worries. You're going to apply 2 to 3 coats of your gel polish colour, curing between each layer. Apply your top coat as per normal and cure. Now at this stage you would normally cleanse and your nail would be complete, but we're going to go ahead and add a second layer of your normal top coat and cure. Out of the lamp, remove the inhibition layer and you're going to gently, without much pressure, buff using a 180 grit sponge buffer, just enough to remove the shine. Cleanse the dust away, allow the alcohol to dissipate, and you're left with a perfectly matte finish, and the colour beneath is perfectly sealed by that first top coat layer. This technique can sometimes offer a better finish than a matte top coat. It's a tech's personal preference, but one thing I always avoid is placing cuticle oil on a matte nail immediately following a service. That's all for today's tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for similar videos.